I love hard work. I could watch it all day. Frank from That Camping Couple said he's gonna find me a pocket with a really big crystal.
Really big.
I need one to beat Pauly.
I think we can do that.
So since my goal today was to find a really nice cluster, and I found a few small ones, but Frank says he thinks down in here there'll be a good one. He's got something right now.
I know, it's a big chunk of crystal, but...
It's a big chunk of crystal. Let's see what it is. Whoa, fall in the muck. This clay is so sticky. It doesn't even wash off nicely. It's a chunk of crystal, that's for sure, but it's kind of just chunk of crystal.
I know, it's got some terminations and some reheal, but that is weird.
Okay,
right
but he thinks right in here there's going to be a cluster. If I take that rock out, that there's gonna be a cluster down here for me. So let's see what we can find. Okay, so we're just pulling this off.
Once you pull that out, you should have to pull some more stuff out.
Get the crap off the top.
Ooh.
Oh, here it comes.
Did you guys take the screwdrivers?
Ooh.
Oh, it's a nice crystal. It's gonna have a couple others attached to it. That might be the cluster I'm looking for.
Hopefully we'll find some more.
Maybe something else in there, yeah. Frank is lifting a massive rock and hopefully exposing a big plate. Or not. It moved, so we have a possibility here in the future. Oh, jam it in there, Hurd. There we go. Now pry. Yay!
There you go.
Now, is there any chance that behind this we have a crystal plate?
Yeah, pull this out. This is a plate. I mean,
There's
a
a
cluster.
crystal right here.
Should have some crystals in it, maybe.
A couple of broken guys.
Luckily, this is not the actual plate, but there will be some on this piece.
Here we
Stand on that
go.
bar. Stand on the bar.
Okay.
Stand on the bar.
We have a something.
Here.
Oh,
They're right
Oh,
here,
right
though.
there, yeah. In here, maybe.
I got one.
It's on this right where I'm holding.
There's nothing behind it either. So.
There's some.
Look at that.
Yep.
Oh, my cluster's right under my foot at the moment, so if you want to put it down there with that, we'll... Oh! And anything more?
Babe. Maybe in this right here. Yeah, I can see a bunch right here.
Crystals, crystals everywhere.
Yeah.
One big point.
Is it?
Yep,
Hey,
yeah, there's another big point.
The back side of it might have some nice clusters like we were getting, but
The B side.
That edge of
There we go.
Yeah,
That's a
what I'm
crystal.
talking about. It's a crystal if I ever saw one.
it's always nice when they're facing in because that means the pocket's still going.
Yeah, you can get the other side and they can be facing out.
Yep.
Ooh.
So we don't have the hammer drill.
Yeah, my only tools right now are my fingers, and
You're doing pretty
that
well.
that one is solid.
Yeah, that's
Do we have a
the.
screwdriver?
I don't.
I think that's attached.
I think this could be a plate, but we have to have the hammer drill to really get it.
Okay, I'm gonna turn the camera off here and do some work, and hopefully we can get a good plate kicking out of here for you guys to see. Well, we have some free, but we don't know what's gonna... Oh, crystals, crystals, come on. Ooh,
Oh, look at that. Crystal, that's a good
it's
one.
got the faces up there.
A little more tabby, a little flat.
Yeah.
A little flat, but broken on this whole face here, so it was like attached to something when it fell. Back in the pile with the rest of them,
That's a
and...
good one.
Oh, here we go. Here's a chunk.
Oh, nice.
Oh, yeah, there's a nice one falling down right there. But no plate. No plate yet. There are so many crystals we're pulling out of here right now, and some of them are massive. There's a big one here, there's a big one there, there's a big one here. My camera battery's about to die. This will be the last one I get to pull out on camera, but when we get back to the shop for cleaning them, you'll get to see them all.
Oh.
It's loose.
Oh, so that is the tip right
That is the
here.
tip. The tip's broken off.
There's the tip.
The tip is broken off this crystal.
It might be recrystallized.
Yeah.
It is rehealed, so it'll sit right back on
It'll
there.
sit back on there.
Not like
that. We'll put that there carefully. And is this one loose or is it? No, she's
No,
attached.
That's attached. That's,
You'll have to wait to get back to the shop to see what we get from that one. Because there's 3 of them, probably all attached to one plate. Let's see if we can get them out that way. Back at the shop. And the whole pocket just came free. So let's see what we get. See if we can get one chunk. Frank, you do the honors. That way if it breaks, I can blame someone.
These are all crystals right here.
Ooh, look how glassy that is. Glassy.
Look at this. Wow.
Nice little
floater.
cluster.
It's completely rehealed or DT everywhere.
DT, double terminated. That one's got a keyway going up it. It grew against another crystal.
That's actually gonna be kind of nice.
That
too.
might be a whole plate. Oh, that might be a nice plate. Obviously, we have to wash these things really carefully to see what they really look like.
Wow, another DT double terminated.
Double terminated. Loads of crystals. And I think I may have actually found a few that will turn into nice plates. Just pulled a big chunk of clay out of this pocket and it revealed 3 big, gorgeous crystals. One right here, one right there, and then a big, perfectly clear guy right there. So I'm gonna grab this first one, see if it's loose. Oh yeah, it is. Yeah, beautiful. It's got a couple of friends down low and a big spire going up. There's this guy. Oh, yeah, I love it. It's beautiful. There's lots more around, but we're going after the big guys right now. Hey, this is, oh, it's loose. It's loose. Whoop, there it is. We keep doing this. We pull what looks to be a nothing rock out and then see what it actually is without the camera on. But check this out. Oh yeah. Again, we saw nothing at the back edge, thought it was just a piece of garbage. And then a beautiful big spire comes out, but there'll be more. Oh, I just rubbed my hand over the pocket and I rubbed off a big black face. There's something here. There is a big frickin' crystal. You can see the top is right there. There's the top edge. It goes down and in. We got a nice one coming out. God, this clay is sticky. This is so sticky. This mud is awful.
Is it moving at all?
But it's broken. Like that's the bottom of it.
Yeah,
it's
I know.
broken, so it's going to move.
Unless that's the back of a cluster, a glass back.
Oh, there's more down below.
Yeah.
There's something down below.
Oh, there it is.
Here it comes.
Here it is.
One second.
Okay, we're pulling this out because my camera's dying. Here we go.
Whoa!
There it is.
It's beautiful. And that's still not the end of the pocket.
No, there's something else right below it.
Yeah.
There's something right there. And right there. Look at it.
Nice.
Frank is a beast. He finally got this rock, this part of the plate, free. That should end up being a nice cluster. Oh.
Take some of that clay off on
Ooh.
Let's see what's gonna happen here.
Ooh. There's a nice cluster. Another nice plate. Not quite a plate, but ooh.
That's
Okay.
it. That's
There it
the
is.
glass back.
There's
It's,
the.
it's still gonna break a little bit,
Yeah.
unfortunately, but
But
that's
we're gonna end up with something nice there.
yeah. Oh, right there's your
Right there, it's loose. Yep. Let's get her out. We got the one little guy in front. We got the big guy back here. That's a nice point. Right there. I believe there was one below it somewhere. That will be a nice little plate of crystals once it's cleaned off. Definitely. It can go with the rest of the plates. Well, there's that one back there.
I see a bunch just in
There's
there.
this
Yeah,
guy
there
right
it
here.
is.
There it is.
Whoop, there it is.
Yeah, look how clear that one is. Holy
We got a couple of nice ones in here.
Oh,
It probably is the back side of the...
Okay, could I turn off the camera again and get working on this one? There may be a second or two of battery left. I just pulled out the piece of the day. Thanks to Frank for doing all the hard work, but that is amazing. Definitely taking this back to the shop to show you this one cleaned up. I know I've said that many times already. This is definitely the highlight of the trip so far, this cluster. One chip on one edge here, which is unfortunate, but hey, you can't win them all.